Welcome to Building Material and Construction class by Sigma College of Architecture. In today's session, we will be learning about different types of windows. So, fenestration. So, windows form an important part in the fenestrations. So, fenestration or arrangement and design of windows in the building. So, first we will see different parts in a building. A frame. So this is a frame. A window frame is a former that surrounds the support and support the entire window system. It has head and jamb. So, the horizontal portion is called head and the vertical portion is called jamb. So, next we have sill level, that is the lowermost part of the window. So, we will have sash window sash which will have glass. Next we will say different types of window. There are different types of windows like fixed windows, sliding window, pivoted windows, double hung window, louvered windows, skylight, clear stories, dormer windows, French windows, bay windows. So from the next slide we will look in detail about these different types of window. So fixed window. So fixed windows are fixed to the wall without any closing or opening operation. This is fixed to the wall. It cannot be closed or opened. It can be fully glazed so that only light can be entered through this. Ventilation cannot be entered through the fixed windows. Next we have sliding windows. So here we will have movable shutters that we can move in a horizontal way. Next is pivoted windows. Pivoted windows which will have two hinges on the side and which can be rotated in its axis. So pivoted windows can be of two types: horizontal pivot and vertical pivot. So in horizontal pivot, it can be rotated in a horizontal way, and in the vertical pivot, the hinge is given to the upper part and the lower part of the window, so it can be rotated in a vertical way. Next is double hung windows. It has two pair of shutters which will be attached to one frame. The shutters can be moved above and down. Next is louvered windows. So louvered windows which will have small louvers which will be arranged in an angle of 45 degree. So this can be mainly used for ventilation purpose. Next is casement windows. This is the most common window we are using. So this will have a frame. So inside a frame, shutters will be added which can be opened and closed. Next is corner window. As the name suggests itself, it will have it will be placed in the corner. It will have two frames which are located in which are arranged in a 90-degree angle. Next is bay window. Bay windows, it is a form of projected window from the wall which are provided to get some seating space to the interior. So from interior which will look like this. So we can also get a seating space. Below space can be used as a storage space also. So from outside it will look this way. So this is how to draw a plan of bay window. So this a projected window. Here you can see the frames. So this part can be used for seating. Next is dormer window. Dormer window is used in a sloped surface, like a sloped roof. Next is clear story window. So clear story windows are kept just above the lintel level. So here this is the clear story windows. These are the other types of windows. Next is lantern window. Lantern window is a opening given to the horizontal roof surface. So here like some glass like projection is given. Skylight. Skylight is given to any roof surface to get natural lighting from the sky. Next is French window. So French window, here we will have a window frame which is located from lintel level to the plinth level. So in normal windows, the windows will be located between window level, like lintel level and the sill level. Here we will see like the French windows will be located till the plinth level. Thank you.